Hey food lovers, want to take your cooking skills to the next level? Cook food so good it'll make your family cry? Then listen up, you donkey. Today, we bring you amazing tips to make your food tastier, juicier, and delicious. Stay tuned for a secret chef's hack that'll make you the king or queen of the kitchen. You think you know salt, don't you? You think it's just for savory dishes? Well, you're wrong. Adding salt to sweets like cakes and cookies enhances their flavor. It balances the sweetness and brings out a richer taste. And don't get me started on vegetables. Adding salt early helps draw out moisture for better caramelization. Get it right or get out. Want that restaurant-style creamy, glossy texture in your dishes? Of course you do. But stop slathering it on at the beginning. Instead, add butter at the end to retain flavor and give your dish a smooth, professional touch. It's simple. Even you lot can't mess this up. Listen up, you muppets. A few drops of lemon juice or vinegar elevate the flavor of soups, curries, and fried foods. It enhances the taste without making the dish overly sour. Try it and taste the difference. You won't be disappointed. Chapter 4. The Rice Fluffing Hack. Stop serving me sticky, clumpy rice. To make fluffy rice, add lemon juice and a teaspoon of oil while boiling. This prevents stickiness and separates every grain. It's not rocket science, you lot. Chapter 5. The Garlic Intensity Trick. Garlic. The backbone of many dishes. Want a strong garlic punch? Crush cloves before chopping and let sit for 10 minutes. This boosts its natural oils and flavor. For a milder taste, roast garlic in the oven. It turns into a sweet, creamy delight. Chapter 6. The Ultimate Spices Hack. Spices. They can make or break a dish. Before adding spices like cumin, coriander, or mustard seeds, toast them in a dry pan for 30 seconds. This releases essential oils and makes your dish aromatic. Wake up your senses and smell the flavor. Chapter 7. The Ice Cube Meat Hack. Dry, overcooked meat is a bloody sin. To keep burgers or kebabs juicy, place an ice cube in the center. It melts slowly, keeping the meat moist and tender. It's like magic, but without the smoke and mirrors. Chapter 8. The Coffee Boost. Coffee? In my curry? Trust me. Adding a tiny pinch of coffee powder to gravies, curries, or BBQ sauces enhances the depth of flavors. It doesn't make the dish taste like coffee. Instead, it gives a rich, bold taste, perfect for meaty dishes. Chapter 9. The Sugar Spice Hack. Listen up, you donkey. Adding a pinch of sugar to spicy dishes like curries, soups, or sauces balances the heat and enhances taste without making it sweet. Chefs worldwide use this trick to create balanced flavors. Want soft, airy bread or chapatis? Of course you do. After kneading, let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes before using. This makes the texture lighter and easier to roll while improving the taste. Stop serving me tough, chewy bread. Onions, you love them or you hate them. Can't handle the bite? Listen up. Soak sliced onions in cold water for 10 minutes. This reduces the harshness while keeping the crunch. You're welcome. Soggy fries are an insult to potatoes everywhere. For extra crispy fries, soak potato slices in cold water for 30 minutes before frying. Then fry them twice. First at low heat, 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, then at high heat, 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit, to make them crispy. Stop making a mess peeling your boiled eggs. After boiling, drop them into ice-cold water for 5 minutes. The shell will come off easily, almost like magic. Struggling with cold, hard butter? Heat a knife before slicing and it will glide through effortlessly. Basic physics. Need ripe bananas fast? Place them in a paper bag with an apple. The ethylene gas from the apple speeds up ripening. It's like magic, but without the wand. Burnt toast? Don't you dare throw it away. Rubbing peanut butter over it neutralizes the burnt taste while adding a nutty flavor. Waste not, want not, you hear me? For fluffier and tastier pancakes, swap water or milk with carbonated soda like club soda or Sprite. The bubbles make the pancakes lighter, airier, and simply delicious. It's bloody brilliant. Leftover rice turned dry? Don't even think about throwing it out. Place a damp paper towel over the rice while microwaving. It will bring back the softness and freshness of the rice. There you go. These tips will make you a kitchen wizard in no time. Tell us in the comments, which tip surprised you the most? Like, share and subscribe for more kitchen secrets. And that's it, food lovers. These tips will transform your cooking and make your food tastier. Now get out of my kitchen and cook something amazing.